Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bake muffins, blueberry muffins. And we're also going to do lots of things with microwave and the oven. Let's get started. First, let's talk about microwave. I've always been wondering why it was called microwave, because there's also a wave like in the rainbow colors. There was also a wave called microwave. So we all know that the sun has white light, and those white light is the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And there are also other stuff that are colors or might not be colors, like infrared, ultraviolet, gamma rays, X-rays, and microwave. And now we're going to do an experiment about microwaves to learn more about them. So I got this bowl full of egg white, and I'm going to pour it here, and then we're going to warm it. Let's see what's going to happen after that. I might need help. I spread the egg white on the plate evenly, and one thing you can notice is we opened the oven and we took out the retaining plate so the food doesn't rotate and it'll stay still. Now let's warm it up and see what will happen. As you may see, I placed the plate there, and now I'm gonna start the microwave. So did you try out the experiment and see what happened? Let's think about why that happened. Since it was still, the microwaves, those waves, they kept on hitting the same place. So they went for example, they went up, and then they came down, and then they went up, and they kept on hitting those spots, and then they got cooked more than the other places. So this is how the microwave would go. So it would go up and then hit this and then hit this and then go down and then hit this and then come back up and hit this and then go down and hit this. Using this, it looks like we could find the speed of light, but we're gonna come to that on another day. So also, after we're done knowing about that, I have something else. So colors like red and infrared and orange and yellow, they go really slow, but they have less energy, but they have long wavelengths. So they don't fade out in a short time. But other colors like violet or X-rays or blue or green, those colors, they go really fast, but they have less wavelength, and they fade out in a short time. That's why they use X-rays. They have less wavelength but high energy, so it can go through your body really quick and send a picture of your bones. Similarly, in the phone, let's say I'm sending a message. Radio waves can take the message and come for a long time. They can go for a long time and they don't fade out, and then they can go send the message to you. The muffins are ready, and they're gonna be delicious. And bye-bye. Look at my other channels. Bye!